Well, I was changing some dog bones today, and I found something cool. So I'm going to share. I always have a bunch of crap on my bench, and I got these off eBay. I had this part. I did this video already, but there was music on it, and yeah, so on. So I got these hex hubs for my HPI. Slide right on. Pin goes in. And done. Solid. Off my 5B or my Losi 5T, all the tires, everything fits. Huh. Can you believe that? That is crazy. So simple. And they bolt right on. Like, it's solid. And they all work. Like, there's 3 different sizes. This is an extended one I just had sitting on the bench and tried it for fun. This is off my 5B HPI, and this is off my Redcat, and they all fit. They all line up, and the pins just go directly in. Simple. Like $14 for a pair, I think. It's crazy. And it opened up your whole world to put tires on, right? Now, the other thing is I did the Losi video, not the Losi, the Monster Claws. No modifications needed. That's the front. You notice all the ribs are still in? Lots of room with any hub. Holy crap. Gonna try this out today. Wow. Well, we'll test out the HPI hubs on the Xmaxx. Woohoo! Look at them tires. They're just massive. Oh yeah. I broke my wheelie bar last time, so I don't have... Oh, this sounds like a tank. Steering is a minimum though. I love it. It's just huge. Sounds like a tank going by. Well, I'm going to try a different set now. Oh! Haha! Bam bam! Oh, she's a little windy. Oh! Whoa! Bam! Who says energy can't take a beating? Alright? And try a different set of tires. Don't get the steering that you want with the big tires. Cool. Yeah, we'll try a set of hostiles off my my HPI 5B. Just looks dinky. Whoa, squirrely, squirrely, squirrely. Running 30-34. Oh, she shreds though. A little more stable. Wow. What a difference. Wow. Oh. Oh, there goes the lawn. Yeah. Nice. Oh, I like that. Whoa. Oh, here it comes. Here it comes. Too much jam. Oh, I lost a nut. Damn it. Must use Loctite. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's sweet. I gotta stop before I lose my faceplate. Oh, it's hanging up the side. Alright. Well, they work. Yeah. Definitely. Like, that's them hubs. They're in there. Look great.